Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my brand new vlog. So today in this video I'm going to talk about the latest update regarding Marvel's Avengers, whether it will be cracked or not, plus a big update regarding Death Stranding and also Wasteland 3. So this episode is going to be very exciting. Watch till the end. Let's get started. First of all, about the big game giveaway, the Death Stranding giveaway contest, which is currently on my channel, but daily I get lots of messages as well as comment that people ask me when this giveaway contest is going to be over and who is the winner. So currently there are over 60 plus entries and the contest is still on. When the contest will be over, I will update you on the community post as well as on my coming vlog. So till now the official statement is that the contest is on. Be patient and I will update you as soon as possible. So till now, enjoy the contest because Death Stranding giveaway is going to happen. The contest is still on. Let me explain you that. So with that, let's move on to the first news, and the first news is regarding Marvel's Avengers. Now, firstly, I want to clarify some doubts regarding Marvel's Avengers. Now, there were some reports which were claiming that Marvel's Avengers is going to have only online campaign mode and the offline campaign mode would be absent from Marvel's Avengers. So the news for that is that Marvel's Avengers is definitely going to have an offline campaign mode. It's just not coming with an online campaign mode. Offline campaign mode plus multiplayer, which is the online campaign mode, will be present in Marvel's Avengers, which is going to release on September 4th, which makes it the perfect eligible candidate for the scene groups to work upon it. Now, what is the news regarding Marvel's Avengers? Who is working on it? Yes, Codex has again picked up Marvel's Avengers with little hope. Yes, on September 4th, this game is going to release. So September 5 to September 6, these are the two dates which are very important. Why these dates are very important? Because Codex is going to try till these 2 days. If in these 2 days something happens, something magic happens, then Marvel's Avengers could be out with flying colors. If not, Codex is not successful in making Marvel's Avengers available, then it's going to be a long road for all the fans of Marvel's Avengers. So that is the news and that is the report regarding Marvel's Avengers. So some positivity coming with some of the challenges. So the positive part is that if it happens, if it works well, it will come in 2 days. Otherwise, it's going to take some time. So that was the update regarding Marvel's Avengers. With that, let's move on to the next news regarding Wasteland 3. Now, as you guys know, Wasteland 3 is going to release in like a couple of days and this game does not have any demo, thankfully. So who is working on it, Codex or Hoodlum? Now, currently the report earlier was that Codex and Hoodlum were in a race to work upon the games which did not have any demo. So currently the news which I am getting after my research is that it is not like that. Codex and Hoodlum are not in a race. They are currently thinking like that Codex is like a big brother. So one game Codex does, the next game Hoodlum will do. So this kind of one by one thinking is going on currently. There is no competition. I am missing those days in which competition was there between CPY, Codex and other scene groups, which made games coming very easy because competition is needed. Now you cannot let things go like this, like one by one. Competition is very much needed. Competition brings the best out of every scene group. That is currently missing in 2020. 2020 has been very bad for gaming. We have seen CPY absent, on the verge of retirement, and eventually it will retire if it is not successful in making any games available. Competition missing in 2020. 2019 was better than 2020 because we had competition. So this mindset of one by one, Codex and Hoodlum have to change and they have to work on some demo game because all the gamers community are looking on Codex and Hoodlum because they are currently the most active ones here. They should definitely work on some demo game or some Rockstar DRMs. So that was the update regarding Wasteland 3. I don't know how many people are excited about this game. Now let's move on to the big news, the big game news regarding Death Stranding. What is happening with that? Now last week Codex was very successful in doing some testing regarding Death Stranding. So the current news is that Death Stranding has gone into the testing phase with high optimization in-game engine. This game is currently in the testing phase and the test phase will go on for 1 or 2 weeks, and after that we can have some news whether this game is going to come or not from Codex or not. But currently the big news, the big update regarding Death Stranding is that after so much of struggle, Codex has finally managed somehow to optimize the game and make the game go into the testing phase. Now all depends on the testing phase. If the game crashes, game hangs, game freezes, game doesn't perform in particular systems, it all is a long way down. So let's see what happens in the testing phase. All depends upon the reports which come and the results which come after 1 or 2 weeks. So we have to be patient regarding that. if Codex is successful in making Death Stranding available, then it would be the biggest game which has come with has Denuvo in it, and a big boosting for all the scene groups, and hopefully a sense of competition will come among all the scene groups, because one thing is very much important. If somehow one scene group increases their standard and increases the competition, it is like very much necessary for other scene groups to come up to that level. So if the scene group is below, nobody will try to go up. So one scene group has to lead the way and has to up the ante and have to up the bar. That's why competition is very much needed, and hopefully the competition would come later this 2020, because lot many games, Watch Dogs 3, new Assassin's Creed game is definitely coming this year. So let's see what happens, and if a competition come, we all will be very happy. So with that, we have come to the end of this vlog. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe button. It's your support that is driving this channel forward. Our next target is 6,000 subscriber. Let's make this possible. It's been so long that we are trying to reach the 6,000 subscriber mark. Make it possible, help me, and let's see, together we will reach that 6K mark, the magical number of 6,000 subscribers. So if for the first time, if you're watching this video, this channel is all about gaming, subscribe now and like and comment, and see you in the video. Bye bye, take care. Hopefully with positive news regarding Death Stranding, and hopefully some news regarding Resident Evil 3 remake, also about the new game Gotham Knight. We'll see in the next video. Bye bye, take care, keep gaming.